Hi, morning folks. Henry here from Smart Money. Thanks again for stopping by. So I made a video not too long ago with regards to a couple of ICOs that I was interested in. Now, one of them was Thorncoin. So Thorncoin, I think I missed a couple of the pre-sales. So, but there's still time. Today will be the final pre-sale going on at a slightly higher price, but I think it's still good to get it. Now, my strategy with this is literally buy the coins, hold it, and once it's increased, give me some profits, I'll dump it and get out. Right? So basically, I'm not gonna hold on and going into all the lending stuff. You can do if you want to, start growing stuff, and I might change my mind. But for me, literally going once it launched on the exchange, they expect it to hit about $14, which is good enough for me. I'll get what I can get out. Right? So what I'm going to just show you the process here, obviously logging into my account. Let's get into my account. Let me get my 2FA. And I'm not a robot. I'm doing this thing again. Alright, so I'm in. So simple process. So I'm 4 hours 15 minutes left to the final round of pre-sales. So here you can see that's finished. The 70 cents one is finished, 80 cents one, etc. Dollar one is finished, the 110 is finished, and the very final one, which I'm going to go into, is 120. Right, so and that's launching scheduled for today at 2 o'clock our time. So this is the total investment so far. Thorncoin, how many of them are available, how many were sold. This is what how much BTC I've got, only a tiny bit, but I'm gonna put it in there, and then you select how many coins you want, and hopefully you will get in it. So fairly straightforward. I'll just, if I click max, it's gonna give me 90. I'll put it in, play around with it, and see what I get out of it, really. So yeah, that's it for me. So quick one, if you're interested, get on board. Obviously do your due diligence, get it out the way, make sure that you're clear on what you're putting your money into. Read the white papers, make sure you understand, the whole how they're making money, how everything works with regards to the program before you put your money in there. Okay, also decide, how long you're going to stay in there. Are you going to continue with, because this is Thorncoin is also a lending platform. So, and I think with the scare of BitConnect, people are weary of this lending platform. But like with everything, there's a risk in it. So do your risk assessment, do your evaluation of the product yourself, and then make a decision from there. If it's something for you, go. If it's not something for you, stay out. And yeah, as always, all of these things are risks, so it's just down to you. You are ultimately the decision maker on whether you're going or not. Okay, thanks for watching, folks. Keep an eye out for some other videos, and I will get back to you with some more. And again, as usual, please like, subscribe, and any questions, fire away. Leave some comments. I would like to hear from you. Any thoughts on other videos that you would like, areas that you're interested in. So give me a shout. As I say, I'm happy to answer and help. Again, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and obviously turn on the bell for more updates to more videos. Thanks, folks. Speak soon.